Welcome to the new lesson about Metatrader 4. In this lesson I will show you what means invalid account in Metatrader 4 trading platform. If you ever experience this error, then you will find this lesson useful, so you will see how to fix one of the possible reasons what is causing this error on MT4. I have opened MT4 trading platform here, where you can see that currently I have this problem in connection failed invalid account, and I need to find out how to solve this issue. If you ever experience this problem, then there are several reasons that can cause this problem. Let's start from the beginning. When you try to log into your trading account, let's try here, log into trading account, you get here a small window where you can enter three details. First detail is a login account ID. Second one is a login account password and the server that you're connecting to. So if you make a problem and you enter one of these three login data incorrectly, you will get a message from the broker that there is invalid account. Okay, now I will connect with my login account and also my login password and also the correct server. So you can see from the start how the problem with invalid account appears. Okay, let me check. I will take the correct password. I will log in and let's wait a second. Okay, now it's good. You can see that I am now correctly connected to my trading account, and there is green bars here that says the connection status is good. So I'm getting the live feed, also the live quotes from the broker server. But if I try to connect to my trading account here and I enter the first possible cause, and that is my login ID, incorrectly, for example, I will delete the last number from this account and I click the login, I will not be able to connect to this trading account. After a few seconds, I will get a message here in the Journal tab that there is a problem. The connection is failed, there is invalid account, and also on the right bottom corner you can see that the connection status tells me red bars, which means invalid account. So this is one of the possible problems which you need to fix when you get this invalid account error. So first check, do you have a correct login account ID? There are two ways how you can find the correct login and password and the server. If you forgot any of these, you can find them easily, but sometimes maybe it's not easy, but let's find out how it's possible. When you create a new account, you get a message, a new account registration here in MT4. If you have open account through the MT4 platform, then you will see this message. Just click on it and you will get here login ID and the password. There is no broker server in this message, because if you are opening trading account from the Metatrader 4 at the beginning of the opening new trading account, you needed to select which broker server you will use. So in this case you have a login ID and password if you forgot them. Second way how you can find what is your login ID, password and server is go to the email you have received from your broker. For example, in my case I have a login ID, password and also the server I need. So these are two ways how you can get your account login data. Now I will connect again to my trading account with correct login data. Just a minute. 306 login. Okay, these are the correct login data. After a few seconds the connection is established and I am connected. So the second possible cause is when you have a wrong account password. So for example, if I remove the last symbol from the password, which will be incorrect password, and when I click on the login, I will get the same message in the Journal tab that the connection is failed after a few seconds. Well, let's wait for it. Here it is. Again, connection failed, invalid account. The same error I get again. And here in the bottom right corner, the connection status is down, and also there is a message invalid account. So the same issue as before with account login details, like login account. Now I will connect again with the correct login data. Okay, login. Now I will log in correctly. And now the third possible cause that can cause the problem invalid account in MT4 is the wrong broker server. So when I click on the login trade account and I remove this, for example, I put to the demo 4 broker server and I try to log in, this trading account will not be able to connect. I will get again a message connection failed invalid account because I'm trying to connect to the broker server with the login ID and the password on the broker server that does not exist for that account. So the broker tells me you are trying to connect to the broker server without this account ID and the password. So I need to try to log in to the correct broker server. In this case it is demo 06 instead of demo 04. I will connect with the correct password again. And I will establish a connection to the broker server. Now my account is connected and now I can move to the fourth possible reason what is causing invalid account in MT4. Now, after some time, if you are using a demo account and you stop using that account for some reason, for example, you stop trading for several months, and then you try to log in again with the old data, then you will have a problem. Many brokers do not allow to trade an old account because after 30 days or 90 days, depending on the broker, they turn off your account. They put them as an inactive or delete that account from their broker server. So when you try to use an old account, you cannot connect to that account. In my case, I will use an old account that is from February this year, which means that is almost 7 months old, and you will see what happens. I will get inside my email and I will check here an old account. Okay. Sorry, this is not the one. Demo account. It is from February. You can see it February 3rd. So I will use this login and I will try to log into the new account. Log into trade account, this login ID. Then I will use this password. Okay, here it is. And I need a broker server, which is demo 03. Okay, let's try. Okay, markets, this is demo 3. And I will click login. Let's see what happens. No connection. Let's go to the journal tab. What you can see right now, there is no connection. You can see connection failed and there is invalid account on the bottom right corner. So this account that I'm trying to use is an old account that is not valid anymore. So if that happens to you, try to use a new fresh demo account, or if you are having an old account that has trading history, try to reach to your broker and ask them, is it possible to reactivate that account so you can get trading history? Many times happens that the trading broker cannot offer you opening or reactivating that old account, and the only way is to open a new demo account. So pay attention to this. If you have and you are using a valuable trading account and you have a trading history that is important to you. Okay. And the final possible reason what could cause an invalid account problem is when you are using an old version of MT4. In time, how the time passes, the broker updates the MT4 trading platform. And for some reason, if you stop updating your trading platform, for some reason, for example, if you are using Expert Advisor or Indicator that is running only on that specific MT4 version, then it can happen that after some time the broker does not allow you to connect with an old account. And then when you try to connect to the broker server with that account, you get a problem. The connection cannot be established. Now I will open an old version of MT4, which is from 2018. Okay, Here is a message: connection failed. I will try to log in with this trading account. I will put the password in it and let's see what happens. Nothing. You can see that there is no possibility that this trading platform connects to the broker server. There is no connection here and the trading platform cannot be used. So sometimes some of the versions of MT4 and old versions try to connect with the trading account that you are currently using, but then you receive an invalid account error. So pay attention. Pay attention to not use an old version of MT4 and update as much as possible MT4 when the broker sends you new updates. So to make a conclusion, what the invalid account on MT4 is and how to solve the problem is to have a correct login details, and that means login ID, login password and the broker server, and do not use an old account which is inactive or deleted, and also try to use the final version of MT4. So this will solve all the problems that could cause invalid account on MT4. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!